With its record-breaking performance ratings, the US version of the Galaxy S25, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, has reappeared on the Geekbench online. Although it's typical for artificial benchmark scores to get better as a device is developed, James Reif's most recent findings show a lot of promise for the Snapdragon 8 Elite-powered S25 Ultra, highlighting how powerful Qualcomm's new CPU looks on paper. The Galaxy S25 Ultra variant, which was evaluated by SMS938U, first appeared on Geekbench in September. Its peak single-core and multi-core scores were 369 and 9,080 points, respectively. Nevertheless, as demonstrated here, there were also cases of poorer outcomes. According to the most recent testing, performance ceilings hit 10,236 for multi-core scores and 3,148 for single-core scores. Comparing these numbers to the Galaxy S25 Plus's current benchmarks makes them even more striking. Single and multi-core scores for the Galaxy S25 Plus European Edition, which is thought to be powered by the unreleased Exynos 2500 CPU, were roughly 2,360 and 8,140 points, respectively. It's crucial to keep in mind that these benchmarks are preliminary, even though they show promise, especially for the Snapdragon model. Lab testing don't always push prototyping gadgets to their maximum capacity, performance frequently changes, and early benchmark numbers for developing devices can be inaccurate. For example, studies reveal worse performance results in previous screenshots of the Galaxy S25 Ultra SMS938U. When the device is launched, will these represent its final performance? Probably not. Although the initial test settings may have altered, the significant improvement in recent scores is encouraging. In general, consider these preliminary benchmarks to be instructive, but refrain from making definitive judgments until the gadget is finalized and Samsung has finished its development. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.